Welcome, friends, for this quick 5-minute morning meditation. Finding a comfortable seat, eyes closed, palms face up to receive positive energy. Taking a deep breath in. Filling your lungs completely, and exhale. Breathing in again, almost as if you were sipping in breath and expanding the lungs like a balloon. Hold that breath for 1 moment and exhale. Even though it's a quick meditation, you come to this place seated, opening your heart, creating a positive emotional state for yourself. What a beautiful gift you are giving yourself right now. Breathing in. Exhale, let go. Feeling the support underneath you. Rooting you down, grounding and connecting to the energy of Mother Earth. Solid, supportive, and always there. Think of 3 things you're grateful for today. Bringing awareness and appreciation to the good we have in our lives not only brings us joy, but this joy will radiate to all those around you today. Setting a positive intention for your day. Thinking of how you will be calm and confident, how you will approach challenges with ease, and how today is a beautiful day. Repeating these affirmations to yourself. I attract positivity into my life. I am capable and strong. I am the love and light I wish to see in the world. I am present in each and every moment throughout my day. Taking a deep breath in through your nose. Exhale out of your mouth and smile for the beautiful day that is ahead of you. Bringing your right hand over your heart, cupping it with your left, sealing in this positivity that it may carry you through the rest of your day.